Everyone knows GPT-5 and Gemini. But here's the truth. There are two AI tools right now that are completely free, insanely powerful, and most people have never even tried them. I'm talking about DeepSeek and Qwen. By the end of this video, you'll see why these hidden gems might replace the expensive tools you're paying for. Let's start with DeepSeek. It's an open source AI model that focuses on research, reasoning, and coding. What makes it special is that it's lightweight, fast, and free to use with no paywall. Nothing. Here's a quick test. I asked DeepSeek to write a short Python script for a weather app. Within seconds, it produced clean, working code, something even GPT-4 struggles with sometimes. For students, coders, or researchers, DeepSeek is an absolute lifesaver. By the way, if you're enjoying this and you want more no BS AI reviews, hit that subscribe button right now. I post weekly videos on free tools, hidden gems, and new AI launches, so don't miss out. Next up is Qwen, developed by Alibaba. This one is great for language tasks, writing, summarizing, and especially translations. Unlike many free models, Qwen handles long text really well. Here's a demo. I pasted a full-page research article into Qwen and asked it to summarize. It gave me a structured, easy-to-read summary in seconds. For writers, bloggers, and students, this is a dream tool. Now, how do these two compare? DeepSeek is stronger for logic-heavy tasks like coding, problem-solving, and research analysis. Qwen shines in writing, editing, and language-heavy tasks, so if you're building, coding, or analyzing data, go with DeepSeek. But if you're creating blogs, essays, or translations, Qwen is the better pick. Here's the shocking part. Tools like GPT-5 and Gemini cost money every month. But DeepSeek and Qwen are completely free with no hidden limits. Yes, they're not as polished as GPT-5, but for 90% of tasks, they get the job done just as well. So those are two hidden gems you should absolutely try today. DeepSeek for coding and research, and Qwen for writing and translations. They prove you don't need to spend big money to use powerful AI. Which one are you most excited to try first? Drop it in the comments. I'll reply to as many as I can. And if you love discovering AI tools that nobody else is talking about, hit that subscribe button and join me for more no BS reviews every week.